Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Kathy, Miss Crafty Girl 42, and I am here to do my chocolate tour Wednesday. As you all know, last week we was working on the teal tray, but we're going to continue to work on the teal tray. We've got the little cutting board, pumpkin kisses, and harvest wishes. We did that last week. We did the acorn last week. We did the leaf last week. And we did the pumpkin last week. Well, this week we are going to do the little rolling pin, this little cute stand here, and we are going to do this piece. Okay, it is raining outside, so it's going to be a little noisy right now, but I'm going to try to get this done as quickly as possible. So if we lose electricity or anything, it won't interfere with my uploading later on. Alright, so let's get started. I think we're going to do the rolling pin first. Isn't this cute? So I'm going to move the camera down and let y'all see what I'm doing, and I'm going to try my best not to let this be a long video. Alright. Alright, so we are going to get started, and on this rolling pin I'm going to put Autumn Vibes. So what I'm going to do is peel that off. I got my fuzzy cloth here, so I'm going to fuzz it because it's a new transfer, never been used. And it's going to take some of that stickiness off of it. Maybe one more time. So I'm going to move this out of the way. I'm going to move it right there because I'm going to be using it again. And I am going to center this the best I can. Oh my goodness. Tell you what, we'll bring that in to hold it. There we go. So I'm just going to lay it on here and center it as best as I can. Make sure there's no wrinkles in it. Still looks crooked to me. We're just going to work with that. If it's maybe it won't be crooked too bad. Alright, so I'm going to do the word autumn. I might have to use that again. So I'm going the word autumn I am using rest. And then I'm going to bring in my black velvet for the vibes. So I'm going to move that to the side. Grab me a stir stick. Y'all, it is terrible here. Flash flooding and it just... Yesterday and today has been a rough, rainy day. Now I'm going to stir up my black velvet. You want your paste to have that consistency of like a yogurt. That in a tray. And I'm going to bring my squeegees in. One for each color. And we're going to do all of them first. So we're going to using the rust color. This is one of our new fall colors. Just wrapping the excess off of it now. If you're afraid you're going to get paste or ink or anything on your project, you can always use like painter's tape and stuff like that. But in this case, I'm just going to try my best and that in that lid because I might be using it again. Now I got my black. I'm just going to this weather. I need to go to town, but I don't drive in this kind of weather, so I'm just gonna have to wait. Alright. Yep. I've got ink on the pen. Okay, so now we are going to peel this off. I can wash it. But that is what this turned out to look like. So I'm going to lay it over here on the tray and let it be drying. Okay, moving on to the next one. I think this one will be the easiest to do. And on this one, I'm also going to be using the rust color. I just like the rust fall. I did write on the back of it back, so when I go and put my transfers back on, I know which side is the back and which side to put the transfer back on. Okay. That one didn't want to come up. Alright. So, take this back out of the way. I just want to center this. I debated on what I wanted to put on this, but let me think. This will look good on it if I can get it centered correctly. I'm having problems, guys. Today has not been my day. It's going to be a little noisy because our trash people is here to pick up our trash. Today's trash day. Oh well, I think that's going to do okay. So I'm using rest. I'm just going to use rest on all of the birds. I'm going to stick my hand in the black. Need to spread this out just a little bit more. Get the excess off. Alright, so let's peel this one up. Under this and the black, that Kelowna black is gorgeous. Okay. And this with that, turn that right. Leaves are falling, autumn is calling. So I'm going to lay this to the side and let that one dry. Then I put it in the stand. Alright, so we got one more to do today. We are 14 minutes in. And I am going to which I should have already done this, but do it this way and not. Thanks. I'm gonna do it black. So basically I'm just using rest and black today. all my colors. If I ever get this peeled off, I want this video to be too long. Any other time I will not have this problem. Any other time I wouldn't have that problem. I guess I need to fuzz it. I'm going to try to do this without cutting my stencil, but I want a background. And I'm going to use Rest. And then we're going to dry this real quick, and I'm going to use black on the road. And I want to cut my But anyway, if you like what I am doing, and you like more information about joining or anything, type join in the comments. We also do a chocolate tour club. You get two or three paste packets in a transfer every month. So if you want to learn more about that, type in club and I'll get back with you on that. And if you just like more information, period, you can write put in info. Hooking up my heat tool for just a minute, and right now that is crooked, but it's going to have to do. Alright. Set that back to the side a minute while I'll prep this one. Let me try to get this one straight. I will leave my website and stuff in the description box, so if y'all would like to go and check it out, y'all can. And next week we'll finish up the tier tray, and I'll show you also either next week or week after. I'll show you all the projects I have behind me that I have done. Alright, we're going to use black again. Yeah, nothing about right, but I already got black out, and so we want to do black. Page goes a long way, guys. Because you get too much on it, you just scrape it off and it is set. Alright. Got my hands off one more time. Don't like to get stuff on the projects. Start. That did not turn out like I wanted it. Alright. Get a little bit of light on my project. Not really happy how this one turned out, but there it is. It says give thanks. I think it would have been better if I just put give thanks on it instead of the background, but anyway, there it is. We've done 3 projects today. We've done this one, And this one, I love how that one turned out. And we did the autumn vibes on the rolling pin. Just love this rolling pin, it's so cute. But thanks for joining me today, and come back next week, next Wednesday, and we're going to do the books. And if we have time after the books, because I like to do the front, the side, and the back of this, so this might take the whole video just to do this next week. But if not, if we have time, we'll move on to the frame and stuff. We got several different things we still need to do. Alright, well, it's almost 27 minutes in, so I'm going to get off of here. And like I said, if y'all would like more information on what I do, and would like to join my team, put join in the comments. If you want to subscribe to the Chalk Couture Club every month, put club in the comments. And if you just want more information about Chalk Couture, just put info and I'll get back to you on all of the events. So thanks for watching, and until next time, y'all have a great evening or afternoon. Bye bye.